Good evening. So, today I'll talk about the topic which is what if we lived on Mercury? So, let's start. So, what if we lived on Mercury? And I mean that what if the Earth population moved to Mercury? So, let's find out. So, the first thing that will happen is that, well, Mercury is smaller than Earth. It's smaller than Earth. Yes, it is almost the same size as the Moon. So if the human race decided to settle on Mercury, there wouldn't be enough space for everyone. So only about a fraction of the human race can go to this the nearest planet to the sun, Mercury. Yes, well, we have to live in very small houses because there won't be enough areas to build a house or whatsoever. And well, that will be a big problem, and the biggest problem here. Well, it is small, even though it's closer to the sun. Speaking of being near the sun, number 2 is that number 2 will be that Mercury is super close to the sun than Earth. Well, at least Earth is in the habitable zone. Mercury is, well, like a hot desert, except a bit higher temperature. The sun will appear like 3 times bigger than in Earth. Yes, so sunscreen will be very valuable. Yes, a lot of people will just buy sunscreen and put it on their skin just to protect them from the sun, because, well, of course, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. That means extreme temperature. And, well, we also need a lot of refrigerators and also a lot of ACs and fans. Yeah, it will be very scorching out there, like in the desert, but like 2 times the temperature. Yeah. Now, number 3 will be that, well, of course, just like the Moon, Mercury has craters. And if you don't know what a crater is, a crater are holes on a moon or sometimes on a planet. Yes, like we see the moon, and it has like very large and also small balls on it, holes on it. Yes. Now this one can maybe solve the first problem, which is Mercury being so small, that people will just start living in craters. Yes. Since houses are nearly impossible to build here because there's not much space, people have no choice but to live in craters. But I'm not sure if it's safe, because I may think that the craters might lead to the core, which is pretty dangerous, and will be extremely hot, just like the sun, which is near to Mercury. Yeah, okay, that will be very dangerous. Yeah. Now, number 4 is air. Yes, Earth has air. I mean air, not hair. And, well, Mercury doesn't have any air. Yes, just like how, well, Mars has very toxic air, so is Mercury. And just like the other planets, except our beloved planet Earth. Yeah, and, well, oxygen will be a huge challenge here, because there'll almost be no oxygen on Mercury. So how will people breathe? Well, I don't know how how they breathe on Mercury, how they will breathe on Mercury without oxygen. But, well, if it did have oxygen, people could have lived there. And also, here's the last thing that will happen, which is, of course, food. Yes, we all need food, so we can get nutrition, and we can stay healthy. And, well, like tomatoes, lettuce, and other vegetables and fruits do have some vitamins too, so we can be healthy and strong. But since Mercury doesn't have any grass, yes, Mercury doesn't have any gas, I mean grass, not gas, then how will crops grow in there? What will people eat? Well, I don't know what will they eat, because no grass equals no plants will be grown on Mercury. Well, if we could have brought a grass from Earth and planted on Mercury, then it could have been successful, or maybe not, because plants need air, and since there's no air on Mercury, then how will crops grow? What will the people eat there on Mercury? Will they starve? Yeah, of course, they will starve. Okay, so that's all the things and challenges we have to face if we all lived on Mercury. So that's all for this video. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Bye!